Your income is invisible. It comes from a higher state. So it is necessary for you to take yourself there. Your income is not your material possession. In real truth, there is no material possession. Everything is spirit. As Einstein said, everything is energy. And that's all there is to it. Match the frequency of the reality you want, and you cannot help but get that reality. Well, your life is controlled by your thinking. It doesn't matter if you disagree or agree, it makes no difference. You will still come back to the same spot. Look within yourself and find the answer. The law of cause and effect can never be broken. It is this same law that governs your results. It seems like there are two concepts. They are not really two. They are the way the one power operates. Your mind is the origin of your results. The major aspect of your result is not really changing it. It is becoming aware of your result. Then your mind will gather the necessary data of changing it if you allow it. Now, every time I write, I use my imagination. I write it in my mind first, then on paper. This won't become an effort because ideas are like trains. You grab onto an idea, the others reveal themselves. Everything is connected. When you get into the habit of getting better, when you're in the habit of getting better, your mind will go to work and everything you need will come to you. More of what is required. There's no end to what you can do. And most people limit themselves, putting all kind of negative thoughts, putting themselves in a negative vibration. They cannot destroy the idea, but they can make it appear unpleasant. As Emerson said, you cannot run away from your good, but the higher side within is still intact. Just like a person can only destroy the embodiment of himself by holding destructive thoughts. These thoughts will destroy the body so fast that a person may not even realize it. But the higher side, the God within, is still intact. I want you to ask yourself, in a relaxed state, what am I doing? In fact, start to think. Sit in a quiet place and think, because you'll be doing yourself a lot of good. The most successful people, they go into a state of solitude where they cannot be disturbed. It is in this state that ideas come to you so fast that you can almost taste it. Anytime an idea comes to your consciousness, pin that idea because it is an already accomplished fact. Nothing is created or destroyed. There's only one way that your thoughts manifest themselves. That is within through you. There's no other way. If you want to be successful, you must learn to act on ideas. Now, where does ideas come from? That is a good question, isn't it? You are surrounded by living energy, which fills all space. That is, it is omnipresent, and this arises the activity called thought. Thought is a vibratory energy, and you draw from it what you think into it. And there's no end of the numbers of ideas you can have. Ideas are limitless. I'm going to tell you, I have been in a very bad spot, whereby I was living in a state of conformity, trying to be like someone else. And when that fails, my self-image diminishes. But later, I realized that you and I are being acted upon by false ideas that we did not originate, but you can change it. Some do break out of this cycle, but most people all their lives never break out of it. It's really interesting when you find out that the majority of people who are drifting always want to be like those who are drifting as well. Everybody's attracted to everybody. This applies to everything. Your results will always experience change. You must know this, understand it. Your results will always change, whether you are aware of it or not. So it is must you grow and adapt to the change with your goal in mind, or stay in your comfort zone and go backward and be left behind. It is in this state that the majority stay stuck and start to generate all kind of excuses why they are not successful in their state of in their comfort zone. Now, I want you to write out a positive statement to yourself. The first thing when you wake up, repeat this process often, and you are commanding your subconscious mind to act on your statement to the fullest extent. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be back with more important life changing lesson. So bye for now.